When a homeowner in Colchester, Vermont, needed to both structurally repair and waterproof the basement of their home, they hired the experts at Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems. Northern Basement Systems installed a custom waterproofing system, structurally supported the walls, poured a new slab, and replaced the support columns with a smart jack system. The homeowners now enjoy their structurally sound, waterproofed, humidity-controlled basement with a new floor. Contact Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems today for a free estimate on all things basementy. That's 855 Dry Time or www.northernbasements.com.